welcome back to Sister's channel. So today we have a new video. So today we are at Algonquin Park
to see the fall colors.
So as you see so many colors.
As you can see, lots of fall colors on either side of the road. So some are still green, some are turned red, and some are yellow. The roads were beautiful to watch while we were exploring the Algonquin Park. Luckily, we had taken permits to stop at certain places to watch the splendid locations.
We stopped to explore a marsh area.
There were shorter and longer hikes. We took the shorter ones. Some were closed and some are open. Make sure you check at the information center before you begin to explore.
The hike was pretty easy. There were water on either sides of the wooden bridge, and our feet got wet, literally wet.
We followed the map provided by the information center to hike. Every spot was like a picturesque view, and we always stopped by to take some photos.
It was very cold and windy. We literally had to wear a jacket and earmuffs.
From there, we went to the visitors center, and from there, there was a lookout space, a small cafe, a museum, and also we went to the art gallery. And we saw different species and also food cycles, and also we saw here how humans survived in such locations.
There were real kind of cabin-like homes showing how rangers lived those days.
And there was a replica of a train station. And this is the view from the lookout space. From here you can spot different colors.
We stayed at a small cottage, and there was a swing and also a gazebo right over there. So, and we lived next to the lake, and there were so many nice fall colors to see. It was so beautiful. We loved it.
After we checked in, we went to explore more locations to see more fall colors, parks and lakes and other locations.
And there's a beautiful lake and some amazing fall colors and a bridge.
It was getting darker, so we went to Huntsville to buy some dinner.
And we bought some yummy tasty pizza from Boston Pizza.
And then we went back to home and went to sleep. The next day morning, we explored the cottage and the lakeside, and we took photos.
There was a beautiful pathway next to our cottage, and we took some beautiful pictures and super amazing slow-mos.
And these are some pictures we took from the amazing spot. It was a beautiful sunny day and the view looks so beautiful, so we couldn't stop taking photos.
And for the slow-mos, we took some leaves, a bunch of leaves in our hand, and we threw it in the sky, and it looked super cool.
After that, we stopped by Tim Hortons and packed some lunch, and we went to the maple farm.
We never missed an opportunity to take clips, pictures over there.
And here we reached the maple farm. We also saw how the maple syrup is made, which was extracted from the bark of the trees. And near the farm, there was a small hiking spot where pipes were connecting trees, in which maple were extracted to make maple syrup. The farm's name was Sugar Brush Farm.
And we had the first maple creamy ice cream. It was super tasty. And here are some boards. And here was awesome wood carved ice cream, maple ice cream. And this is the yummy maple ice cream.
From there, we went to explore the lakeside again, and we explored. The city was different from Mississauga, and we explored a park.
There was a small lake with lots of pebbles.
As you can see, there were people boating on the canal. We can see that they were opening the gates to make the water level same. a 2-day fun trip. Now we are going back home, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe the video, and we hope you see you next time. We see you next time. Bye. Love you. See you. Bye.